अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, अब्दुल गफूर चचट विद टीचिंग एंड लर्निंग। दोस्तों जीअं त असां पोएं लेसन में डिस्कस कयोसीं त इनफॉर्मल ग्रीटिंग्स। अॼु असां हिन लेसन में 007 में डिस्कस कंदासीं फॉर्मल ग्रीटिंग्स, जंहिंखे असां चऊं रस्मी सलाम सिंधी में, या जंहिंमें असां चऊं ऑफिशियल, या जंहिंखे असां चऊं हिकु प्रॉपर ग्रीटिंग्स जेको हूंदी आहे। दोस्तों तव्हांखे हिकु इम्पोर्टेंट शइ जेको आहे न ॿुधाईंदो हलां। जीअं त इंसान जी ज़िंदगीअ में काफ़ी शयूं इम्पोर्टेंट हूंदियूं आहिनि, पर हिकु ज़बान जेकी आहे न उहा सभिनी खां बालातर हूंदी आहे। जॾहिं असां कंहिंसां ॻाल्हायूं था, असां कंहिंसां सलाम कयूं था, कम्युनिकेशन कयूं था, गुफ़्तगू कयूं था, त हुन जे साम्हूं असांजो सॼो पस मंज़र अची थो वञे। असांजी ज़बान असांजे फैमिली बैकग्राउंड, असांजी तालीम ऐं असांजे अख़लाक़ खे जेको आहे न, असांजे मॉरल वैल्यूज़ खे बयानु कंदी आहे। ऐं दोस्तो हीउ जेको असां लेसन आहे फॉर्मल ग्रीटिंग्स, असांजी फॉर्मल ग्रीटिंग बि एॾी ई इम्पोर्टेंट आहे जेतिरी असांजी ज़बान कंहिं नॉर्मल माण्हू सां ॻाल्हाइण में, या असांजे कंहिंसां गुफ़्तगू करण में। हर शइ खे जेको आहे न पंहिंजी अहमियत आहे हिन ज़िंदगीअ में, तीअं ई ॿोली खे जेको आहे त असांखे कुझु त असां उनखे सही तरीक़े सां ॻाल्हायूं ऐं सही तरीक़े सां। अॼु फॉर्मल ग्रीटिंग्स जे हवाले सां पहिरीं उन्हनि दोस्तनि खे जिन अञा ताईं हिन चैनल खे सब्सक्राइब न आहे कयो, मज़ीद वीडियोज़ जे लाइ बेल आइकन खे ऐं रेड बटन खे प्रेस करणु न विसारींदा, त जीअं मज़ीद वीडियोज़ तव्हां असांजो मौसूल करे सघो। दोस्तों we'll be discussing about the formal greetings, and this formal greeting is very important actually in your professional life. When you are greeting somebody, it means you are representing your whole personality. So as you know that the first impression is the last impression, okay, but I don't believe in it, okay, that it's your efforts, okay, that how you are representing yourself, you know. It is your skills, that how you are demonstrating yourself, okay. I know everybody possesses own skills, everybody has own values, everybody has, you know, that much potential that can meet on particular criteria, okay. But the time and the way of talking, which is very important, okay. So today we'll be talking about once you are on the job, once you are, okay, in any formal greeting, okay, you have to, you know, to adopt these things, okay. So let's see how and what are the formal greetings for them. So formal greeting in Sindhi we call रस्मी सलाम, जिसको उर्दू में भी हम बोलेंगे रस्मी सलाम है। ये जो हम नॉर्मल तरीके से पिछले लेसन में मैंने बताया कि आप दोस्तों से कैसे मिलते हैं। अभी हम देखते हैं कि these are the some ways and some words or some phrases we mostly use while we are greeting in offices or we are greeting in our official meetings, okay. जॾहिं कुझु मीटिंग्स हूंदियूं आहिनि या असांजी कॾहिं जॉब में हूंदो आहे त इहे थींदो आहे, इवन के इंटरव्यूज़ जे लाइ बि असां इहे कंदा आहियूं। तंहिंजे करे इहो ॾाढो तमामु इम्पोर्टेंट आहे त असां जॾहिं ग्रीट कयूं था त इहो ख़्यालु रखणु घुरिजे त असां कंहिंजे साम्हूं आहियूं, केरु असांजे साम्हूं आहे, एंड हाउ टू टॉक एंड वॉट विल बी अवर बॉडी लैंग्वेज फर्स्ट. So these are the basic words, okay, and phrases you should know. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how nice to see you, how are you, how do you do, how are you doing. So some ways of formal greetings, रस्मी, इस्लामी या सलाम जा कुछ तरीक़ा जेके दोस्तों ही आहिनि ऐं मोस्टली असां यूज़ कंदा आहियूं जॾहिं असां कंहिं मीटिंग में हूंदा आहियूं या जॾहिं असां इंटरव्यू जे लाइ वेंदा आहियूं. So this is really important and the basic, or I say this is the foundation of the any language, or this is the whole you are relying on it. इन ई ते असांजी पर्सनैलिटी जेको आहे न मबनी हूंदी आहे। जेकॾहिं असां हिन फॉर्मल ग्रीटिंग्स खे सही तरीक़े सां इस्तेमालु कयूं त मुंहिंजे ख़्याल में त अधु असांजा प्रोफेशनल्स जेके मसइला आहिनि उहे हल थी वञनि। असांजो जॉब, असांजे प्रोग्रेस जेकी हूंदी आहे, असांजो बिज़नेस हूंदो आहे, इहो इख़लाक़ ई हूंदो आहे जेको इन शइ खे वधीक बहितर करे थो। मुंहिंजी इहा तव्हांखे गुज़ारिश आहे त इन इख़लाक़ खे बरक़रार रखो। अचो त ॾिसूं इन्हनि खे यूज़ कीअं कजे ऐं इन्हनि जो आंसर्स छा ॾिजनि जेको आहे। So hello, we have to respond with the hi. However, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, these all are the same, and then you have to reply with the same. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How nice to see you. Yes, it's nice to see you. This is your reply once you meet, okay? We are not only to say thank you, that's not a proper answer. So here we're gonna say that how nice to see you. Yes, it's nice to see you. असां सिंधी में जे कंदा आहियूं त तव्हां सां मिली ॾाढी ख़ुशी थी, रिप्लाई में असांजो बि इहो जवाबु थींदो त मूंखे बि तव्हां सां मिली ॾाढी ख़ुशी थी. So I think that sounds good. That's really good and impressive, okay, that you are valuing the same thing, okay, you are impressing or you are using the same words, okay, in order to praise or in order to give the same greetings, okay. How are you? This is very common. Fine, thank you. We say fine, okay, but you have to say thank you, and in return you have to ask something about how about you. ज़रूरी ना है तो तव्हां सिर्फ़ कंहिंखे पुछो how are you. It's your responsibilities, okay. Like, you know, we say assalamu alaikum, right? So what is our responsibility, okay, being a Muslim, okay? We have to reply, okay, wa alaikum assalam, tawhan te bhi Allah Ta'ala ji rahmat ho ji. So means that's a pair, okay. So you cannot say a very half or short answer that considers in language very rude. How do you do? Here this is the meaning of how do you do and how are you. Same meaning. How are you और how do you do की मीनिंग जो है ना वो सेम ही है, बट आंसर सेम नहीं है. How are you and how do you do की जी मीनिंग सेम आए पर आंसर सेम ना आए. Mostly we use or in formal way you have to reply in the same way. How do you do or nice to meet you. This is the way, okay. So we cannot say how do you do means a fine, thank you, okay. So this is an informal and very casual answer, okay. So means you are meeting with the first time with the person. अगर आप किसी से पहली बार मिलोगे तो आप उसको क्या बोलोगे? आप उसको रूडली तरीके से तो कोई जवाब नहीं दोगे ना. वे like this, okay, बैठो like this, okay. No, we cannot say. So how do you do? It's a very, when you're answering, okay, fine, it's a kind of a rude answer, okay. So it's a casual, sometimes they use, okay. But what will be the formal way that you have to repeat the same sentence? How do you do or nice to meet you. So I'm sure this is a very interesting point, okay. And another word, how are you going. So this is something means how are you, or means this explaining the circumstances and current situations, okay, on a particular job or something like that, okay. So the reply is not bad, okay. No, but it's good, not bad. So these are the words, okay, mostly we use in a formal, okay. And मां तव्हांखे दोस्तो ॿी ॻाल्हि ॿुधाईंदो हलां त पंहिंजनि ॿारनि खे इहे शयूं हींअर खां ई तव्हां फीड कयो that जब आप किसी बड़ों से मिलें, आप किसी जो ना रिलेटिव से मिलें, so you have to be formal, and because they are representing your mother and father, okay. So you have to be, you know, the same. If they are at the same age, okay, they can greet casually, okay. But you should teach them and tell them, okay, that what is the formal and what is the informal, okay. That will be, I think, very good for them, and they let them to practice all these things, because these are very common and conversion in the schools with the teachers and all these things. That will be very useful for them. I'm sure that you enjoyed this lesson. If you have any questions regarding that, please don't forget to write in the comments or give me your suggestions, okay. We'll be meeting in another lesson with another topic, okay. But before going to then, those who didn't subscribe, Teaching and Learning, subscribe it for more videos, okay. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Stay blessed.